Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I will be demonstrating how to make a curry called Kerala Vegetable Kurma. Kerala Vegetable Kurma was created by a South Indian descent migrant in Malaysia. Kurma is eaten popularly at home or in restaurants in Malaysia. This vegetable kurma is a stew of several vegetables simmered in thick, spicy coconut-based gravy, which pairs well with basmati rice, chapati, naan bread, or other Indian bread. Alright, let's start with step 1 in making the spice paste for the kurma curry. To begin your preparation, peel and roughly chop garlic, shallots, and ginger. Add chopped garlic, pitted dates, chopped shallots, chopped ginger, kurma powder, coconut flakes, and a quarter cup of water to initiate the blending. Blend until everything becomes a smooth paste. Halfway through, add more water to assist with the blending. When a smooth paste is formed, pour the paste into a bowl and set it aside. In step 2, preparing and gathering your mise en place. In French terms, it means to prepare and gather all your ingredients. To prepare the vegetable, cut the potato into big cubes as shown here. Slice the carrot into 1-inch pieces. Then cut the tomato into 4 quarters. And halve the chilies in lengthways. To make diluted coconut milk, add half cup of coconut milk and 1.5 cup of water into a jug, then stir to mix well. Now, step 3, cooking the kurma. Add oil to a skillet over medium heat. Then add curry leaves and fry for 20 to 30 seconds. Note, fried curry leaves will enhance the leaves' fragrances into the kurma. We used dried curry leaves. You can use fresh curry leaves if you could get your hands on them. When you can smell the curry leaves fragrance, add other whole spices such as cinnamon stick, star anise, and cardamoms. Stir fry for another 10 to 20 seconds until the whole spice let out its smell. Then add the blended spice paste. Continue to stir and mix the blended spice paste completely with other whole spices. Next, add a dash of salt, stir, and continue to cook everything in the pan for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until all ingredients are getting thicker. When the blended paste is thickened and start to get fragrant, like roasted smell, add the potatoes and the carrots. Then stir to mix them with the spices. Next, pour the 2 cups of diluted coconut milk and stir to mix the liquid with all other ingredients in the pan thoroughly. Bring the whole thing to a boil, then to a simmer, and cover to cook for 13 to 15 minutes or until potatoes and carrots are a bit soft. When the potatoes and carrots are a bit soft, uncover the pan and stir in the cauliflowers, followed by the tomato cut in 4 and the green and red chili. Next, turn up the heat to high to bring to a boil. When the cauliflower is half cooked, add in the peas. At this moment, also add the thick coconut milk, then bring to a simmer until the cauliflower and peas are cooked. Taste your kurma. Add black pepper and more salt if needed according to your preference. Note: add more coconut milk, vegan cream or some cashew cream for a creamier kurma curry. Simmer the curry for a few minutes, then dish out and place into a serving container. You can garnish your kurma curry either with roasted cashew nuts, coriander leaves, sliced chilies, or cayenne pepper for a stronger heat. You can serve your kurma hot with basmati rice, naan bread, chapati, or any kind of Indian flat bread. You can see here we love our kurma curry with basmati cumin rice, garnished with some coriander leaves. We love kurma curry very much that we eat it for lunch and dinner too. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please share this video, subscribe, and let me know how you get on with this recipe in the comment below. If you make this recipe, please tag Healthy Asian Cuisine on Instagram. See you in the next episode of Healthy Asian Cuisine Cooking. Bye for now.